Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to do an easy and simple nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this iridescent polish by Orly called Naked Canvas and this gold stamping polish by BMC called Liquid Gold. So I already painted my nails with the oily polish and I'm going to apply a liquid latex around my nails. This latex I use is a body latex. I get it from Amazon. It comes in like a little tub. And what I do is I fill my nail polish bottles with it and I use it for a long time because there's so much in it. So I'm going to use my Born Pretty BPL-027 nail plate and I wanted to show you what it looked like. I love this plate. It's one of my favorites because the designs are so big. They cover long nails. And I'm going to use this design. I'm going to use the bottom because I like the bottom part. I like the lines more closer together. And I'm going to apply the gold. This gold is so pretty. I just love the look of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape the colors back and forth so I build the colors up so it could be a more darker color. That's why I do it. When you see people going back and forth, it's to build the colors up. And I wanted to show you how it looked once I picked it up with my nail stamper. This stamper I got from Walmart. It's a Queen nail stamper and it costs $5. I love it. It's really sticky. It picks up designs really good. And like I said, it's really inexpensive. Now, once I was done applying the stamp design onto my nails, I just removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I just wanted to show you that it's really easy to do nail stamp designs. You can do it any colors you want. And it's a really simple thing to do if you're not into doing freehand nail designs. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.